Let's build a submarine. Here's what you'll need: a large bottle of water, a pen cap, some blue tack, and something with a bit of weight. I'm using a hair clip. To make the submarine, start by blocking the hole at the top of the pen cap with blue tack. Then add the weight and the remaining blue tack to the bottom of the pen cap. Fill the bottle up with water and carefully add your submarine. If it sinks, remove some blue tack or the weight so that it just floats at the top. Make sure the bottle is completely full and screw the lid on tightly. Now give the bottle a squeeze. When you squeeze the bottle, your submarine should sink. So what's happening here? Your submarine floats because there is a bubble of air trapped in the pen lid. When you squeeze the bottle, the water in the bottle squeezes the air bubble. Because air is more compressible than water, the bubble shrinks until it can't hold up the submarine anymore, so the submarine sinks. When you let go of the bottle, the water stops pushing on the air bubble. The bubble can then expand again and the submarine floats back to the surface. So now have fun playing with your submarine.